Dear students, today we are talking about the library website of ILS Law College Pune. So for referring library website, you need to visit the library website. So for that purpose, you already know the Google. Simply by using Google search engine, you can able to reach library website. For example, you can just type ILS Law College here. By entering this, click here. This is the first login of ILS Law College. After that, this is the ILS Law College Pune website. Here you have to click on library. Then this is the library website. So if you see on the library website, you can able to see home page here, the library staff details, collection details, rules and regulations, services and faculty facilities, library advisory committee, and the physical layout of the library. Everything you will get over here. After that, library subscribe research databases, ebooks databases that are there, and then OPAC of the library. This particular tab you can able to use within the campus, and web OPAC of the library outside the campus of the library. After that, we have a faculty publication tab here. After that, rare book collection tab also available over here. Additionally, whatever open source resources available in the market, that I have linked over here. For example, open access repositories, open access resources, free e-journals and ebooks, then important websites. Apart from that, you can able to see what are the new arrivals comes in the library, acquired by the library, that you will see over here. And addition to this particular tab, you can able to see recent arrival tabs over here. For example, date wise, whatever material, whatever books we generally procure, that material you can able to see over here. More importantly, library databases quick links tabs I have given over here. By clicking this particular link, you can able to reach different kind of databases platforms. For example, if you want to access Westlaw, just you need to click over here. If you want to access Heinlein Online, you need to click over here. SSC Online, Manupatra, Law Street India, CLA Online, Taxman, AIR, and further. For example, we also have a bar and bench and live law legal news also, that you can able to access. Even Lexis Advance also available. So dear students, after that, maybe sometime you feel that particular books is not available in the library, so you can able to recommend the particular books for your purpose to the library. By using this particular books and journal recommendation form, you can able to recommend to the library, so that librarians people's library staff can able to prove. You have to fill this particular form and you have to submit it. So the data will be retrieved by the library people, and they will start the acquisition process. After that, if you want to give the library feedback, this is very important. For example, if you trouble any kind of problem, you can able to give the feedback for us, so that this will be help to enhance the new services, new policies, existing services modification, etc. So dear students, this is the library website information all about. After that, please go through library website. You have to explore yourself. You will get the more and more information over there. So thank you very much for listening this particular video.